Okay, so I've installed Fedora. Let me just check quickly. I've installed Fedora Silverblue, knowing nothing about it, but I've installed it and I've realized it's completely locked down, which I knew. The system files and so on is immutable, but I didn't know it came with the GNOME desktop, which I didn't like, and I didn't know you can actually not change that desktop environment. So I usually just use KDE Plasma. So I thought, okay, maybe I should just go back to Fedora Workstation, which is open. You can just do the normal Linux stuff on there. But with Fedora Silverblue, which is immutable, they use OS3, which is a layer on top of Fedora, which pretty much locks down the system files, and you can't change much. So yeah, that was a bit of a problem. But lucky I saw there's another fedora called, I don't know how you say it, Kinoite. Kinoite or something. I don't know how you would say that. Fedora Kinoite. So it's pretty much the same one. Silverblue came out first. Then they brought out Kinoite. Only difference is this one uses a GNOME and this one uses KDE Plasma. So yeah, that made my life pretty easy. So I'm just gonna quickly install Kinoite then, because that's the one I want. And then workstation is just the open one. You can so with these ones, Austria handles the updating for you, and you use Flatpaks to install software. A bit different, but anyway, let's create a VM quickly. So this is Fedora. Let's just call it what it is. Kinoite immutable. So the immutability makes it actually quite secure. You can't really break it. I don't think you can break this at all. Spice, go for the newest software, UEFI, Quemo agent. All that's good. 32. Yeah, I'm just gonna check it out really. That should be good. Just change it to local LVM. 4 cores for now and 4 gig. Next. Yes. Kill the firewall for now. Next. Finished. Right, where is it there? Everything should be fine and we can just start it. So yeah, this is great for if you're testing stuff, or you know that you're gonna break your operating system, or you're working as security and you're running risky files on it. So it's quite secure, and the rollback is quite good too. It's another thing that the OS3 layer does, is the rollbacks. Let's just run Spice here. Spice. Let's go. So I'm still deciding which distro I want. I still have Windows on my laptop. I had Linux Mint on there, but I had some screen trouble. The whole OS kept on freezing. So I suppose it's the driver issues. So I had to install Windows again, just to get some work done. But I want to go back, but I don't want to particularly go back to Linux Mint. Cinnamon. So I'm just taking out this. It's toss up between Mint, obviously, Cinnamon, and Fedora. these two at least. I'm not gonna go for Debian because it's pretty much Mint, just older. Right, obviously that drive done. Root account is disabled. Oh, so I can. No user will be created. What does that mean? Why does it say no user? Right, let's just create a user. Require a password. Yeah, admin is privileged to the user account. Yes, please. Password is short. You'll have to press done twice to confirm. Oh, okay, good. Disabled. Well, I definitely want to enable it. Oh, that's pretty cool. Just added security, I suppose. Allowed root SSH. Login with password. Ah, well, just enable. I'm gonna destroy this anyway. Right, begin installation. Good stuff. So yeah, I promise this will be the last distro I'm reviewing, except if a new one comes out that's very good. But I mean, Fedora is already good, Mint is good. Then all the other versions of Debian, it's not bad. I mean, there's still Ubuntu as well. I've checked Zorin out. Very clean operating system, very nice. Only problem is I heard that I have some support problems. There's not a lot of support for them, or the developers, they need more developers. I don't know. That could be a problem. Right, so I've deleted some of these, so they are not here anymore. Let's check here. Yeah, Bazite looks great. It is basically Fedora with added gaming support. So like Proton and Wine and all that stuff. But yeah, it's Bazite is perfect for a daily. I will use it every day as a normal operating system. If I'm playing lots of games on there as well. Otherwise it's a bit of a waste, all that other stuff. So you can just go for Fedora Workstation. If you don't want things to be completely locked down like this, like Kinoite and Silverblue. Kali is too specialized. And Kixakia is a bit too locked down. Kixakia is harder than Debian. I mean, I can do anything on it. Or most things on it. It's not that, how can I say, locked down and you can't use it. Some of the network stuff is a bit locked down. The Linux Mint is great. Right, there's always Ubuntu, but I hate the name, so I'm not gonna use it. And then Zorin. Obviously Arch, but I don't know. If you're gonna use Arch, you're gonna have to play around with it. But if you just want to OS, it's a bit of a waste installing Arch, because you can modify it from the ground up, really. So that's what makes that great. Anyway, let's wait for this and I'll come back. Okay, let's reboot. Right, let's log in quickly. Looking good so far. Let's see how Plasma looks like. Yeah, this is definitely KDE Plasma. So cool that I have two different versions that you can just download and do it. Otherwise, I had to install Plasma on Workstation, and yeah. This is really cool. Yes, that's it. That's what I'm looking for. No GNOME. Yeah. Let's run through this quickly. Okay. Yeah, look at that. The old start menu. Oh, looks so good. Looks like Bassite. Bassite looks like this. Bassite. 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 Yeah, man, this is it. This is a very nice operating system. Might make this my daily on my laptop. Well, I think I will do that. Right, so there's the file explorer. I'm just gonna go quickly through this. So yes, your system settings conveniently there. Right, you can change your backgrounds. That's your theme, wallpaper. Click on wallpaper. Okay, let's apply that quickly. Making it dark mode, the theme, and then yeah, that's let's make it somber. I like it somber. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Because where I live, it sometimes looks like this. Just mountainous, just lots of mountains. Right. So that's pretty much the first thing you want to do if you're new to this, new to Linux. It's always just changing the background, the theme, and then I want to go to just close this quickly. What is this? Software Center. Yeah, everything is just here. You want to install or uninstall software, you just go yeah, and you can just type in what are you looking for. VLC should find it. If it's on here, it will be installed. Otherwise, it will list it here, and you can install it. Maybe it's installed. Well, anyway, there's your updates. So the updates obviously happens in the background, which is cool. I take it. Settings. I'm not gonna be bothered about that. This is for people just want a basic setup and just want to change a few things and get to work or whatever. Right, so let's just go through this. Obviously uninstall Firefox immediately and then install Brave or something else. System settings, Dolphin file manager, your software manager and console. So I take it you're not gonna work in here a lot because you can't. Kinoite and Silverblue is more locked down, so you can't make that much changes to it. So no sudo DNF update because updates are being handled. Let's see what happens. Sudo DNF update. Yeah, obviously it's not gonna go. So yeah, that's pretty much it. fedora Kinoite. Good.